So the object of this taste testing is to make your own concoction. And so we already tasted the Sherlock, the Merlot, and the Cabernet. And so for me, I think the Cabernet is super dry, like dry to the point where there's no aftertaste. It's just straight dryness. The Merlot, on the other hand, is dry, but it has a little bit of flavor. Like you can taste it a little bit. But when you get to that Sherlock Holmes, and that tastes like a glass of wine. So I think my combination, because I need to go ahead and put my concoction together, which two I'm gonna mix of these three. I think I'm gonna go ahead and mix Sherlock with some Cabernet, and I think that's gonna pack a powerful punch drink. You feel me? So these two together is gonna be my little yeah, right? Because this right here, the Sherlock, is gonna add the flavor that I'm looking for. Because like I said, this is already like a glass of wine, but then the Cabernet is gonna bring that extra little dryness, that extra little like I'm gonna get you tipsy. Like I might bite you in the ass later on down the line, maybe like second, third cup type shit, maybe even first cup. You know, I might get you fucked up, but I'm gonna mix these two together.
I did a combo of the three. Mm-hmm. I only did a little bit of this one, and then like 25% of this one, and then maybe like 20%, and then 40 and 40.
Yeah, I'm gonna do. Like that. And then we're gonna mix the Cabernet.
Got your rip. Shoot, I think Hornet really kind of makes it too.
Okay, so this gonna be some shit here, boy. There's gonna be some shit here, boy. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna do the taste test of our concoctions that we put together with our wine testing samples. So, like I said, I got Cabernet and Sherlock mixed together, and baby has.
I have all three.
All three. So, let's try it. Oh, that's looking good.
That's good. Well, you know what? So the wines that say red blend, this is what this tastes like.
Okay, let's try this.
Oh, this is like fine dining wine. This is like fine dining wine.
Yeah.
It's a red blend. This is more steak dinner.
Like, this tastes like a drink.
Oh, I'm not a damn Lewis. That's good. You did that? Let me find out.
Sorry for interrupt, but if one of you ladies, you can go ahead and come waiting for you over there.
You said, wait, I'm sorry.
If you're ready, you can go this way to come waiting for you over there.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and drink there.
I didn't even finish my drink. Dang, we gotta hurry up, y'all. It's time for us to move on to the next station. I ain't even finished, and we still got all these samples. Like, what the fuck? Like, we might be fucked up from that. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. You can't be wasting no wine.